Just hold for a while. I'll be starting in a few. Mga 11 siguro. Kuha man ako water. Medyo napagaw si sir. Okay. I encourage you to turn on your cams para mas engaging tayo, no? Later. Sige. Start tayo ng 11 at 10, 11, 11, 11. Let's just wait for the others. Contact them, please, para marami tayo. No? Okay, sige. Start na tayo. Can you turn on your camera? Ryan, Felicity, I demand you to turn on your camera, no? Kaya bisig walay ligo, di problema na siya. Sige daw. Okay, can you turn on your cameras para mas engaging ka sa class, no? Everyone, please turn on your cameras. Everyone, again, please turn on your cameras. I want to see you. Everyone, please turn on your cameras, please. Ayun. Oh, Riza, turn on your camera. Blessa. Oh, Rain. Ayan, 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 ayan. Please, marami tayo, no? Okay, okay, okay. Sige. Preparing muna ako, ha? Thank you. Thank you so much. It's nice to see you again. We've met again. We've meet again. To introduction to clinical psychology. Um, so I am Sir Said. I will be your course instructor for the course Clinical Psychology. Um, I think sa orientation, naka-introduce naman po ko, no? Aside from teaching, I also do clinical work. So I have experience as well in the clinical practice. And I can share some of my experiences unsa bagid ang naa sa real world, no? Sa psychology gyud, specifically sa clinical psychology. And I hope you will learn from this, no? I hope you can learn from this. I can share my experiences, and if you have questions, I can answer your questions. This is more of an engaging class, no? So everything is given to you. The modules are already provided to you. And lang. Tighan mo kung di pang tudlo karon eh. 6 ka buok na subject. Apit na ko mabuang lang. Ay nako, wait lang ha. Asa kong slides. Module 1. Okay. Sige, 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 sige. Ayan. Okay, I'll share my screen. Uh-huh. How are you guys? Ryan, kamusta ka naman dyan so far? How are you? Goods?
Okay
Okay.
naman, sir.
Oo, salita naman tayo, no? Yan si Dave. Dave, how are you? Kamusta man so far?
Hello, sir. Okay lang, sir.
Okay lang. Okay, sige, turn tag cameras, guys. Marjorie, turn tag cameras, no? Para mas engaging ang to ang ano, ang ato ang lesson ani. Ayun. Sige. Okay. Sumbong na ako kay Ma'am Jera. Sige, turn mo camera kay sumbong na ako kay Ma'am Jera. Okay. Okay, to ara. By the way, naka-assessment na mo, psychological assessment and psychotherapy. Nahuman na mo? Yes or no? Daan na mo, ana?
Ano, sir?
Psychotherapy.
Counseling, sir.
Oo, counseling. Psych-ass
Naka,
human na.
Naka-take na ko counseling, sir, and psych-assessment.
Very good, very good. That is an advantage because we're going to focus mga sa clinical na practice, and module 2 is psych assessment, module 3 is sa psychotherapy. So advantage sa if nahuman na mo sa duha, no? So ideally dapat nahuman na mo sa duha kay mo focus ta sa mga sa kato no na mga lessons and topics. So mas in-depth ni siya. And I am Sir said I am also affiliated to various clinics. I own my own clinic, CJM Psychological Services. Aside from that, I'm also an affiliated psychologist for VPsych Assessments Incorporated. I'm also affiliated as well with PhilCare Incorporated, and I'm also a psychologist for National Authority for Childcare under DSWD. So daghan kog trabaho gyud, and honestly outside of teaching, no, I am practicing. I am a licensed psychologist and psychometrician. So welcome to the course. Ako jud ang gipadudlo ni Ma'am Jera ani, no. I don't know why. Pero ato ni ilaban, no. So the course preliminaries are all given to you, the MS Teams link na anapod makita na pod ninyo. So ato lang i-run through ang course, ha. So magbisaya, Tagalog, English lang ta, ha. So para magsinabtan na itang tanan. So naay ang course preliminaries, the instructor information, some information, some courses are already here. You can see the introduction, and inyo lang ipang next ang mga butang. Ina, no? This is the course syllabus. Gi-revise na ko siya cause mag-hardcore na ta, guys, cause dili ko gusto na introduction lang. Gusto gyud nako na gamito na gid ninyo tong gold standard gyud na clinical psychology, since Mapua is relevant and excellence, di ba? So kato nang kay David Pomeranz ang main reference textbook for clinical psychology. Kay kato man gid among ginabasa gyud. So basahi jud ang libro kay didto jud naka-anchor tanan nako na lessons, no? Naa jud dito kato naga board exam ko gipangbasa gito na akong libro, cover to cover gito siya. So daghan mong ma-learn ato. David Pomeranz naa siya dito sa references kanino na part. Wait lang. Sa references, learning resources of Sir said, click this one, maadto mo sa OneDrive link, then naadiri atong Andrew M. Pomeranz Clinical Psychology. So this is the main textbook na akong gigamit for this course. So if you can buy this, naani siya Shopee, guys. Na-search na ko siya sa Shopee, naa siya. And you can buy the hard copy of that one, and napod kani, no, soft copy. So useful ni, guys, especially if mag-take mo board exam, kung mag-psychologist mo or mag-psychometrician mo, magamit po ninyo siya kay ang mga board exam ang good, very clinical ang iyahang setting, no, sa cases. So very clinical gyud. Concentration po nako sa masters na ako kay clinical psychology po. So kadna po ang akong expertise. Napod diri atong mga supplement, mga lessons, no, diri so you can see the lessons, no? I made this myself, so kompleto na tatanan, nahatag na sa inyo tanan, module 1, module 2, and module 3. And wa ko'y tulog ani for 3 days. Actually ako jud gihuman kay last minute ang paghatag og load sa kuha. Kaniyang gigamit sa una nila Ma'am Jera, Timothy Thrall and Prestine, kay this is for babies manggod. Dili ko gusto na pang babies ang inyuhang gamiton. So dito na ta sa pang hardcore na gyud, which is kay Andrew Pomeranz. Okay? So unsa man, okay ra mo? Okay ra ba mo sa ato ang porma sa tong lesson? Kay para maka-learn jud mo, kay kung i-baby nako mo, wala mo'y matun-an sa kuha. Are you okay with this? Pwede po na mag-enroll. Okay lang ba, Rian? Unsa mga nasa thoughts nimo karon? Okay lang ba?
Medyo ano lang sir, kanang kasi wala
Mm.
pa ata most of us nag-take ng counseling, so it might be a challenge pero
Yeah.
since ano naman, interesting din naman 'to na major, so okay lang.
Okay, thank you for that one, no? So challenge kid siya. If sa counseling, you could supplement it with Corey counseling and psychotherapy. Some of your classmates might be able to help you, no? So, yes, ideally man gud dapat na humanapod mo sa counseling yun for this, no? But I guess you can learn also from this kay, syempre, naman po sa itong mga lessons po. Ma-discuss po siya sa libro po ni Andrew Pomeranz, ang mga approaches. Okay, sige. Violent reactions, basic na mo yung mga kalagot din or something. Okay lang ba? Hardcore ta ha? I mean, basa lang maglibro good. Kana lang gid akong requirement sa inyo ha. And we're going to meet once a week raman pod. So we're going to meet every Monday. 10:45. Okay? So sa second session na to, it will be more of a consultative time. So if you have questions or concerns, and I'll be giving the time to you para magbasa dyan mong libro. Again, naa siya sa Shopee guys. Andrew Pomeranz, any edition may do. Kamo bahala. So I hope na basahon dyan ninyo ang libro. Okay, but I will be discussing it, mampod. Okay, interesting siya guys kay mag-share po kog mga own experiences po na ako ang kung sa gid na as a real world ba, especially sa Philippine setting. Kung gusto jud ninyo mahimong clinical psychologist same sa kuha, so ma-share po na ako akong mga experiences sa inyo ha with what it is to be in the clinical practice. Sige. So nana diri tanan available na siya na atay week 2 formative quiz. Try daw ninyo ni i-answer. Gusto lang po na ako mahibal-an if naabay something na problem kay gibuhat ra pud nako ni, and ano mong good murag nagbag-o sila og frame kanang ano ba settings, I don't know ngano, pero try lang niyo i-answers ni siya na quiz and buhatan ako og I'll try to remedy if na problem. Okay, so we have 2 formatives and 1 summative. And for module 2, we have 2 formative and 1 summative task. So tanan nato na mga summative task kay output-based. So wala tay quiz, no? So kani siya kay video essay maning first nato na summative nya sa second kay essay reflection na ni siya activity. So yeah, don't worry, ang mga assessment pang pud dili po siya nga na pang masteral pud na level. Undergraduate ang levels assessments. Okay? Pero ang lessons gid nato is ano gid siya? Gold standard siya. Because I want to give you the best. Yan, na di mga paingana si Sir the best. Siyempre, gusto po na ako ihatag sa inyo ang the best education, ang excellence ba, no? So, naapoy duha ka formative sa module 3 and naay isa ka summative. Ang last na ko na requirement sa inyo kay kaniyang ginabuhat sa other students, no? Mag-interview sila og psych professional. Ako pod most of the time biktima pod ko ani. Requirement pod silang course na mag-interview someone from the clinical practice. So, i-interview ninyo siya, then siguro ma-divide na to ang class na to into 3 or 4. This is still subject pa into discussions pa pud ni siya. So wala pa finality about this. Depende pud kung pila mo tanan, no? So mag-interview mo, then mabuhat mo video output ani. Not just the interview itself, but naapod mo ihatag pud na input about your realizations, your insights. So kapag sa groupings, kamo na bahala magbuot sa inyong groupings kay I feel like you're comfortable or gusto niyo na ana ako maggrupo sa inyo ha. Unsa ba? Unsa man inyong inyong preference? Do you want me to interview you or I mean to interview you, to group you or do you want me na ako magbuot sa grupo? Ay kamo na bahala.
Pwede ikaw na lang, sir, para fair, sir.
Ako na lang mag-divide.
Yes, sir.
Others, okay lang sa inyo ha? Ako mag-divide.
Okay lang po, sir.
Okay lang sa inyo. Sige. Sige, dugay pa man ni. So, nag-enrollment papaman po ang period po na to karon. So, wala pa ko mahatag na groupings kay wala pa finality kung pilagin mo tanan. Okay, so mautos siya and ato lang I'm just setting expectations. Kung unsa inyong ma-experience sa course kay advanced na magud ni siya class, no? So ingani gid ni siya. So clinical psychology manggod ni. Sige. Na may questions or concerns before ko mudako, no? Wala. Okay na ta, no? Everything is given naman pod. Again, no, please answer week 2 formative quiz. Ingna ko kung naay mga problems unta wala. But lang gid ani. So, makita ninyo class sa Module 1, Foundations of Clinical Psychology. Okay. Mo niyang lessons nato class, Module 1. Lang. Wala lagi. Bisig na may questions, guys, na gusto niyo i-ask anything about the practice, in ana, oo, or kapoy bagid siya, sir, in ana, no?
Lingaw siya, sir.
Yeah, lingaw kay model kag mga different lives. Mo walk ka sa life nila ba? Lahi-lahi mo akong clients, guys, na dato, na ay pobre, no? Na ay mga professionals, na ako'y clients na lawyers, doctors, na ako'y client na business owners, na ay kwarta, walay formal education. Challenging, lingaw siya, no? Okay pod ang kung hardworking ka, okay siya na source of income. Lang ako maingon. It's a good source of income. And dili ka makastay gyud kung wala kay passion gyud sa pagtabang empathy ba. So dito gid ka mo adto gyud personality pud nimo is kailangan open ka, non-judgmental, empathetic ka sa laing tao. Kay dili siguro ka makadugay kung wala kay ingana na values, no? Oo, so lingaw siya pero kapoy siya, especially pag tambak. Pag daghan na kaayo, draining. Honestly, naka-affect na po siya sa akong mental health. My point, naka-affect na siya sa akong mental health po. So, it's a challenge, but we have to be resilient. Kumbaga, sige, lang ha. Naman tong akong slide diri. Lingaw siya. Mo tong ako maingon. Ang clinical practice mo or ang clinical psychology mo binang generic pag mag-ingon kag psychology. Kumbaga clinical, namugo na 3 branches. Kung mag-masters mo, pwede mo mag-clinical, mag-focus mo sa clinical psychology, educational or school psychology, or industrial organizational psychology, no? But ang pinakadaghan jud na nag-enroll or nag-focus sa clinical psychology yun. Actually, mag-educational ko, pero mas gipili na ko ang clinical psychology and wala po ko nagmahay actually kay mas daghang opportunity sa clinical psychology. I don't know lang with the others, pero for me mas generic siya and mas daghan siya og mura siyang IM sa specialization kung mag-doctor ka. So I think internal medicine ang mas pinakadaghan ingana. And ang board exam po kay naka-focus po siya sa clinical psychology po. Sige, can you see my screen na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. Okay, let's use the microphone. Para mas engaging good time. Para lang, mura lang siya face-to-face ba, no? The lessons are foundations of clinical psych, historical milestones, and key figures. ethics and clinical psychology, and the multicultural competence. This will be the lessons, no? Para dili mo ma-overwhelm, magbasa tag libro. So, the second session, please, I require you to read the book of Pomeranz. Naapoy mga supplementary na mga videos ko gipang butang dito, di ba? May mga videos. So, watch it also. Important po to siya. Kumbaga, related kayo siya sa lessons na to. Module 1, Foundations of Clinical Psychology. So, how did clinical psychology start and how did it grow and what defines the field today? So, like, let's understand the beginnings or the origins of clinical psychology. If you begin to study clinical psychology, it's important to see that it's not a single technique or a narrow specialty, but as a broad and dynamic profession that combines scientific rigor, compassionate practice, and a deep understanding of human behavior. So as a psychologist, I began to understand what Doc Kwe mentioned to us, that the clinical practice is a combination of science and compassion. You have to understand it's both a science and giving compassion to your clients. Siyempre kung wala kay compassion, kung very ano lang ka, robotic ra ka makapag-storya sa imong client, unsaon niya pag-open up sa imo ha? You have to build the rapport, especially sa psychotherapy, even assessment, no? Mag-build yung rapport into that. So kailangan openness, no? Open ka sa iya ha, open ka, somehow dili ka rude ba? Ana good. So according to APA Division 12, clinical psychology integrates science, theory, and practice to understand and predict maladjustment, alleviate psychological distress, and promote the adaptation and personal development. Clinical psychology involves rigorous study and applied practice directed towards understanding and improving the psychological facets of the human experience. So if ako mong pangutan-on, unsa nang clinical psychology pa para sa inyo ha? How do you define it ba in your own ways? Sige daw. Manawag daw ta diri abi. Sige daw. Bless sige bless. Unsa ang clinical psychology for you? Sa imong own words lang or
For me, sir, clinical psychology more on like assessment siya sa isa ka person. It might be more on like assessment lang jud siya, sir. Wala pa man gud kay like knowledge about counseling. So more on the assessment akong understanding sa clinical psychology, sir.
okay, no? One part of clinical psychology is assessment, no? Wait lang ha. Classic ko. Yeah. Na-teacher. Yung Sir Bonnie nag-message. Yan ko siya. Saan nag-klase pa ko. Ayun. And anyways, ang resources na to ha is not only kay Pomeranz, napod ko yung APA, nagipang-add po diri and PAP, no, na mga resources. So, gusto mong gud na ko siya i-anchor sa Philippine na setting. Kay kung model lang ta sa libro, wala kay may ma-learn gyud sa ko na mo apply gyud sa Philippine na setting, no? So, as a member of the Psychological Association of the Philippines, important po na ma-integrate po na ako ni para ma-learn po ninyo ang mga kalakaran at mga patakaran, ang ethics sa practice, no? So, unsa ba gid ang life gyud, no? Kung mag-psych gyud mo, kung mag-clinical psychology gyud mo, no? Unsa man gid ang trabaho gyud ani sir, no? Unsa man gid ang clinical psychology? Unsang kalaian gid ana sa psychology? Discipline ang clinical psychology under psychology field, 'di ba? There's a lot of psychology. Social psychology, cognitive psychology, but the three main is the clinical, industrial, organizational, and educational or school. So, natat karon sa clinical. Okay? So, part of it is assessment. We do assessment. Intelligence testing, personality assessment, behavioral analysis, and neuropsychological evaluation. For me, I conduct a psych evaluation for those who want to adopt or adoptive children, And part of my job is to evaluate them. So I conduct assessment. I give them test, personality test, projective test, mini mental status examination test, a behavioral observation, and clinical interview. That is my job or role. Legalities also for annulment cases. I also provide a psychological test. Those that are experiencing abuse, sexual abuse, physical abuse cases, VAUSI, violence against women and children. What else? Mga kaso sa sulod sa isa organization or company, no? Especially if there is kanang sa ganing tawag ato, na maging duol pud sa kuha ba na naga-file siya case kay gina-harass siya, sexual harassment. Okay? Legal custody. Those are our functions, no, as psychologists, as psych majors or psych professionals. We also give diagnosis. By law, psychologists can give diagnosis. We use the DSM-5 TR criteria. We also do differential diagnosis. Do you know what is differential diagnosis? Nakaagi na mong abpsych? I think nakuman naman mong abpsych, no? So, unsa man ang differential diagnosis? Yes, dear. Unsa man na? Dave, yes, Dave.
I guess their differential diagnosis refers to the way of trying to determine mental disorders by having a set point of reference, sir.
Okay, having a set point of references. Okay. Yes. Well, differential diagnosis is it is ruling out if this diagnosis exists to you because sometimes mag-comorbid man gud or dili usahay ma-meet ang criteria. So, let's say schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is 6 months. Sometimes the psychotic symptoms of hallucinations and delusions will only last for less than a month. So it's only a brief psychotic disorder, not schizophrenia. It's ruling out the symptoms, the duration, gaano kadugay, ongoing symptoms. Usahay, dili ma-reach tong peak. So we cannot say that it is generalized anxiety disorder or it is persistent depressive disorder. It's not just major depressive disorder. It's ruling out the diagnosis. Gets? You understand? Give me a thumbs up daw, guys, if nasabtan.
Yes, sir.
Sige. So, gina-rule out na to kay usahay, dili man gud ma-meet gid tong criteria na required for that diagnosis. Usahay man gud mosobra ta. So, dili na kato ang diagnosis niya. It can be lahi na diagnosis. So, this is differential diagnosis. So, gina-differentiate na to ba in other words sa laing related na disorder. Okay, so cultural formulation interview part also is the psychotherapy part. So for those na human na og psychotherapy, congratulations, but you have to still work hard. We have CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy. We do cognitive behavioral therapy. This is the gold standard of all therapies. This is also what I used to my clients. We also utilize psychodynamic therapy, moving from your past experiences, your childhood like, and you apply it to real life. Now, for millennials like me, we don't usually utilize psychodynamic, mas more into the CBT, kay evidence-based manggod si CBT. But for all the older generations, they tend to use the psychodynamic. That is just my own POV. Humanistic therapy, I also use this one. Family therapy, and brief therapy models. So as you can see, there's a lot of approaches. We also do designing interventions, treatment outcomes, research, program development for schools, hospitals, and LGUs. We also try to formulate treatment plans or wellness programs to organizations. That's one part of the job of a clinical psychologist. And consultation and also supervision for hospitals, for schools, courts, workplaces. We also provide supervisory role or consultations to them. Yeah, so ito yung mga trabaho, no, ng isang psychologist or clinical psychologist. But the main jobs really is assessment and psychotherapy. The consultations, no, I think those are sub jobs, no, and research, no. Okay. So in the Filipino practice, it's often holistic, culturally sensitive, and heavily influenced by family dynamics. I've noticed, Manggod, sa Filipino clients is very family oriented. So sometimes the problem can root from how they are being parented and their current family dynamics, no? How does the dynamics exist in the household? Because we are collectivist. So we often engage in psychological evaluations for school and clinical referrals, no? For adoption, yan, foster care, yan yung mga trabaho ni Sir Sad talaga mostly. Doon talaga yung main routes of work, no? Like tomorrow, I have a client din tomorrow, so yeah, so yun yung trabaho ko din, no? In cases of marital or physical sexual abuse, so may abuse din sa isang workplace, sometimes I also intervene, no? Nagbibigay ako ng assessment and at the same time intervention through therapy, ganyan. Ganyan, kung may nagpakamatay sa isang school, ayan, isang experience ko yan, no? So, nasa Manila yon, isang school sa Manila, so pinadala ako dun sa Manila and I also conduct assessment then and at the same time, assessment of PTSD and at the same time, psychotherapy for both teachers and students. Because these cases are happening, no? Nangyayari to. So, kailangan yung psychologist, he or she can intervene. Kailangan niyang tumulong sa ganon. Trauma, work, disasters and conflicts, yes. Kagaya ng may earthquakes, di ba? No? We give psychological first aid. Family and marital counseling. Yeah, we also provide marital counseling. Nakatry ako ng couples therapy. Ganyan. So, ang ginawa ko noon is, sabi nila, sige sir, magpapaano kami couples counseling kasi parang hindi na nag-work yung kanilang marriage but they still want to work it out, no? Pero the love is parang nawawala na, no? So what I did is I talked with the husband, then I talked with the wife, tapos joint session na silang dalawa. Ganun. So that's how I do in couples counseling. Family therapy, wala pa akong masyadong experience pero nagkaroon ako ng experience nito during that time na umiiyak na yung bata. So, I had to give a short family therapy. Pero hindi ako masyado eksperyensado sa ganito, no, sa family therapy. Providing mental health programs for LGUs or local government units. Court-mandated psychological assessment, especially for annulment and vowsy, no? May pera din dyan. Malaki din ang pera dyan, honestly. Kapag sa korte, no, kinakailangan ng testify, pero delikado because you can receive death threats from the other parties, lalo na kapag powerful yung kinakalaban ninyo na court, no? Yeah, may pera to, honestly, sa annulment cases. Kasi mahal ang magpa-annul sa Philippines. 200,000, ganyan. And some part of it is pwedeng mapunta sa'yo. So, 150,000 sa'yo. Parang ganun. So, hindi ako sure, no, of the rates. Pero malaki ang rates. Kasi you have to testify in the court. And ganyan. So, complicated siya. It can be dangerous. Pero, yun nga, kailangan mo talagang maging matatag, no? Community-based mental health initiatives under RA 11036. You also provide community care, like interventions, 'di ba may mga nabibigay na mga free PFA, no, from the Philippine Mental Health Association, libreng mga sessions, ganyan, no, na nag-a-avail din ako personally. Ay, ganyan. So para lang may mag-help sa akin mag-process ng mga bagay-bagay din, no. Kasi kahit na psychologist ako, nagkakaroon din ako ng sadness, nagkakaroon din ako ng bouts of depression at times and even even anxiety, no? So kailangan ko rin, I also believe that psychotherapy works. So ganon, no? Mahirap lang kasi ang lang yan, kilala na nila ako. So parang mahirap maghanap ng match kasi kilala na nila ako, then effective kasi siya pag kapag ginawa mo siya ng wala kang information of that person talaga. Honestly, no, ganyan. Ayun ha, so kahit psych professional or kahit psych graduate ka or psych ano ka, you also get depressed at times. You also have anxiety at times because at the end of the day, you're still a human being, no? Tao ka lang din. Ayun. Do you have questions or concerns?
Wala po, sir.
Okay. Are you learning so far? Okay lang?
Yes, sir.
Paspas ba kayo or okay lang akong pace? Okay lang? Okay lang. Sige, sige. Mga tanatag question, no? Okay, sige. What do you think ba is the challenge of being in the clinical practice based from what you've learned? Na Rain. Okay, Rain Ninte. Tawagan na to ng mga wala naka-on cam. Manawag ko sa inyo, bahala mo. Rain, what is the challenge of being in the clinical practice? Hala, absinan ako ni. Unsa man? Sige. Blessa na lang. Yes, Blessa.
Based sa we conducted interview kasi sa isang psychologist din sa isang subject, then one thing na mention niya is ang isa sa pinaka like mahirap when you're a psychologist practicing is yung pag-separate or pag-put ng boundaries between your work and your personal life. So sabi niya, you have daw if kami sa future magiging psychologist kami, we make sure daw na we have this like, mag-build kami ng habits na pwede namin gawin if kasi mahirap even siya daw, mahirap daw masyado. That's why meron siyang mga activities na ginagawa after work kasi if hindi ka mag-put ng boundaries, parang parang ano tawag niyan, parang madala ka din sa when cater ka ng problems ng other people. If di ka mag-put boundaries, parang maproblema mo din siya personally, and yun yung sinabi mo, sir, na pwede din ma-depress yung mga psychologist kasi yun din po yung sabi niya sa amin. Boundaries po, yun na daw yung mahirap.
Totoo, totoo. Mm. Yes, thank you for that. That is very relevant na sinabi mo yan, no? Mahirap yung mas separate mo minsan yung life mo, especially kapag maraming cases na sunod-sunod, no? Nangyari to sa akin actually. Everyone, please turn on your cameras. Hindi kayo you're not respecting kung ano yung policy ko ngayon sa inyo. Sige, turn on your cameras lang. Hindi naman to forever, and wala akong pakialam kung ano yung itsura ninyo. It's just gusto ko lang kayo makita din personally, and I just want us to have an engaging conversation, discussion. Because I'm giving this by heart ba, no? Binibigay ko to sa inyo and I want to teach you the best I can. So, turn on your cameras. Sige na. Yun lang, ha? Okay, tama ka doon. Mahirap i-divide pa minsan. Kailangan natin ng compartmentalization. Iba yung personal life mo, iba rin yung life mo outside sa work. What I've learned is, siguro, as a psychologist, you don't need to internalize ng masyado yung problema ng client mo outside the work. Pero mahirap siya kasi kapag nagka-counseling ka, kailangan mong yung listening ba, yung tenga natin, no? Unawain mo yung story niya, walk by his life, no? Empathy, challenging siya. Pero pagkatapos nun, syempre, kailangan mo na siyang i-trash out or hindi mo na siya i-entertain. You understand na may challenge siya and may challenge din ikaw. Sige, may nag-raise ng hand kanina. Sino yun? Sino yun? Napatoy nag-raise og hand kanina. Challenges daw. Yes, Clapis.
Ano sir, based on what I watch sa mga content as what Dr. Anna said on YouTube na, it is hard to comfort someone when you're a professional and you just really want to give a hug to them, but you cannot since you are a professional and you want to give intervention instead of being a friend to them. So there's like a line between them. So it's like a struggle to her.
I see. There is a struggle. Yeah. Yun na nga yung mahirap. Kaya nag-stop ako mag-psychotherapy, honestly. Kasi nadidrain na rin ako. There's a period of time, 2024, sunod-sunod yun. Psychotherapy, sige lang, ano lang, counseling. I was affiliated by PhilCare that time. And ano yun eh, sunod-sunod talaga yun eh. May time na nasa Makati ako, tapos on-site pa yun ha, face-to-face. Ilang clients, 4, 5, sunod-sunod. And after that, pag uwi ko ng condo, bagsak lahat ng katawan ko. As in, na-feel ko talaga yung internal na struggle. Because I was, yun nga, don't attach. Okay, let's practice the non-jar. Non-attachment, non-resistance, and ano nga yung isa? Non-judgment. So, i-search nyo siya, maganda siya. Non-jar, non-judgment, non-attachment, and non-resistance. So, important na may compartmentalization, magkahiwalay yung buhay mo at buhay ng kliyente mo. Okay? Challenge ito ha, this is a challenge, but you will learn how to become resilient eventually and become a clinical psychologist din talaga. Paano mo ma-separate yung life mo, no? Yung trabaho mo at yung personal mo na buhay. One time that I do is, after ko magtrabaho, ligo ako. Yan. After ko maligo, kasi hindi ko na iniisip yun. Hindi na ako nagre-reply after 5 or ganyan. Minsan ganun yung aking ginagawa. Yeah, so thank you for sharing your thoughts. We're just being honest here. But the clinical practice is actually a wonderful field, a wonderful profession, because you'll be meeting lives, genuine lives, no? Na magkakaiba-iba kayo ng mga buhay, marirealize mo yung problema ng client mo, ay ganito pala yung buhay niya. Ganito rin yung buhay mo. Minsan may character development. Honestly, merong character development. Kasi nakakaano kayo eh, you're handling human lives, experiences, human pain, suffering, human problems. And you also reflect back to your life. How can it apply to you? Yung guru question, 'di ba? Yung guru question, minsan ginagawa ko yun sa self ko, no? So, if I were to give advice to myself, to my problem, ano kayang advice yun? Minsan, ina-apply ko yun sa self ko, no? Ganyan, no? Pero kailangan din natin, no? If kailangan, may maganda rin na nag-undergo tayo ng counseling and psychotherapy. It's not a sign of weakness, but it is a tool to help us process difficult emotions, difficult thoughts. Ganyan. Okay? So, ayan, no? Now let's go to the history part. Okay, historical roots of clinical psychologists. Ayun. So, ito yung mga tao na mga mahalaga na naging parte talaga ng pagkaka-build up ng clinical psychology. Okay. So, here are the figures. William Took, he founded the York Retreat. It is a humane care of mentally ill individuals. We have Philip Pinel, no? He freed mentally ill patients from chains and nag-ano siya, no, ng moral therapy. Kasi noon kasi parang kapag mayroon kang psychological problem or disorder, parang salot ka talaga sa lipunan, no? Hindi ka accepted or you are a failed experiment, ganyan. So they really treat them as parang slaves or para talaga silang gustong tanggalin, no, sa ating society. We have Ellie Todd, he promoted compassionate American reform, and we have Dorothea Dix, he advocated for humane institutional conditions, yung mga facilities, no, for humane treatment. So the father of clinical psychology, we have none other than Leitner Whitmer. Remember the name, huh? He founded the first psychological clinic in 1896, and he first used the term clinical psychology and worked primarily with children and learning and with those behavioral problems. Evolution of the field, going into the assessment, we have Alfred Binet, intelligence testing, David Weschler, the WAIS, the WISC, and the WPPSI. Yung Weschler Primary Preschool, yun yung mga pangbata, masyado. Emil Kriplin for classifying mental disorders. Di ba human naman mo abnormal psychology? Human na mo abpsych? Yes or no? Yes? Yes na.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
human na mo abpsych. That's good, no? Rorschach and Murray. So sa kanila yung mga projective personality test, no? So kay Rorschach, 'di ba sa kanya yung ano nga yung kay Rorschach, ink blot test, no? And kay Henry Murray sa kanya yung thematic apperception test. Ayun. For psychotherapy development for the psychodynamic era, syempre very Freudian, focus siya sa unconscious processes, behaviorism for conditioning, observable behavior. This is for addiction cases. For those that have observable behavioral problems like anger management issues or addiction problems, substance use problems, no. Humanism, this is for empathy, self-actualization. Very ako as a therapist, I'm more of humanistic ang aking personality when handling patients, and I used ano bang ginagamit ko? Solution focused brief psychotherapy. I also use cognitive behavioral therapy, and my favorite rational REBT, no, rational emotive rational emotive basta REBT, yun na yun. Rational Emotive Behavioral Therapy, if I'm not mistaken. Yung tatlong yun yung aking pinaikot-ikot talaga na ginagamit. So we have cognitive therapy. This focus more into on the thoughts and on the emotions, how to process them, how to paano ba natin sila ma-change yung mga cognitive distortions, how can we eradicate those irrational thoughts that tend to contribute to human suffering and to human pain and anxiety and other disorders. But and of course, we have the third wave therapies. Ito na yung mga mindfulness-based psychotherapy, acceptance and commitment psychotherapy, and experiential awareness, no? Okay, so this is how our field evolved. Siyempre, nag-start siya sa psychodynamic, no? So, di ba ako prof ninyo first for the theories of personality, di ba? No? So, I'm sure that you will begin to understand the concepts of the theories of the different theories of personality and how they are being applied right now to psychotherapy. Kaya nga, ang tawag sa book ni Corey is Theory and Practice of Psychotherapy, of Counseling and Psychotherapy. So, if you want to learn more about psychotherapy, you read Corey, no? Yun yung ginagamit ng mga psych students, no? Yung kay Corey, kay Corey. Okay, for the Philippine evolution, 1960s to 1980s, nagkaroon na ng psychological clinics, nag-start na ng foundation dito sa ating bansa, influensya by Virgilio Enriquez, the father of Psikolohiyang Pilipino, and formal licensure under RA L10029 or the Psychology Act of the Philippines. So yun yung nagpapatunay ng practice natin ng psychology sa Pilipinas. So may law talaga, no? There's really a law. And when you get your licenses, meron na kayong rights to practice as well. Yan. So mabibigyan kayo ng rights to practice in the clinical field, in the academic field, in the organizational or in the industrial field, no? So again, these are the key figures. Lightmer Whitmer, the founder, Emil Kriplin, responsible siya sa classification of disorders, Alfred Binet and David Weschler, sa kanila yung major intelligence testing. For Alfred Binet, sa kanya yung Stanford Binet SB5. That is worth 150,000 pesos. Yung test na yun yung price ng test na yan, 150,000. We have David Weschler, tatlo. We have Weschler for adults, Weschler for primary school, and Weschler for children, yung WISC, no? Tatlong versions yun. WAIS, WPPIS, and we have the waste, no? So, ayun, tatlong ano yun versions. Kay Alfred Binet, kaya siya mahal, and meron tayo nito, actually, no? Our program or our department owns this. Kasi covered na ni SB5 lahat ng ages. And um, maganda siya kasi nga, nakukuha mo lahat ng mga facets ng intelligence. Major testing siya, and this will require 2 days of assessment and testing. So mahaba ang SB5. Major test of major IQ testing siya as compared to others. Other types of intelligence testing, we have progressive matrices nila Raven, no? Raven's progressive matrices. Yun. So later, sige lang, share ko yun sa inyo. And we have the projective personality test. So ito rin, controversial siya kasi parang walang reliable or very valid source kung paano mo ma-interpret yung isang projective response. Let's say, house tree person, draw a person, ganyan. So, masagid ang reason kung ano, yung ani mong ang pag-interpret, ani. Though na may libro pod, no? Example, if mag-draw ka og isa ka tree na nay fruits, so it means daw that you are a person that is capable of nurturing, ingana. And if nag-draw kag isa ka dako kay na balay, no, it means daw that you want a life that is very luxurious, things like that. So, naay mga meaning ang drawing. So, I use draw a person and house tree person test for my clients. Kay for me mas dali siya i-interpret. I don't know. Pero kana ang meaning niya. So, we don't solely rely on projective test. We still need objective personality test. Like NeoPi, PPI, familiar mo sa mga test na ingana. MMPI, kana, no? Hopefully, familiar mo kay Sir Bonnie, di ba? Napang discuss na niya sa inyo ha. I'm sure Sir Bonnie have discussed those types of tests sa inyo ha. MCMI, di ba, no? And so much many. And PI, personality assessment inventories. There's a lot of tests. There's a lot of tests. Ay alam mo kahadlo kay dili man ako mo pabuhaton pa og mga psych report karon. Pero that is for graduate level na. So kita ano lang ta sa assessment part. It's more of introduction ta. Major psychotherapy innovators. So we have Sigmund Freud for the psychodynamic, Carl Rogers for humanistic, D.F. Skinner for behaviorism, Aaron Beck for cognitive therapy. We have Marshall Linehan for dialectical behavior therapy. This is for people having personality disorders. So do you know personality disorders? We have borderline PD, we have histrionic PD, we have dependent PD. Do you have that ba? Joke lang. Do you have PDs ba? Borderline PD, mga ingana, no? So, kasi may hirap yung mga cases na yan, no? May hirap. Actually, hindi pa ako nakadeal masyado ng mga ganyang cases. Most of my clients are anxiety, trauma, and depression. And naalang yun sa adults and teenagers ako mga na-handle yun. We have Irvin Yalom for group therapies. So are you familiar of this the Addiction Anonymous or Substance Anonymous, Alcoholic Anonymous, kana, no? Do you know that in movies? Kanang mag-ingon gud sila na, hi, I am this and I am an addict or I am an alcoholic. Ingana, murag kana ganing mo circle mo. Have you watched that or have you seen that? Kanang mo circle mo ba? Tapos mag-share kag experience nimo and group therapy siya kay encouragement also and support from that group. Makatabang pud sa imong pag-heal or how can you help yourself improve ba?
Mga support group, sir.
Oo. Actually gusto na ko na sa mga gusto na ko mag-form untag ing ana ba na siya group process siya na group therapy gid siya na mo circle around mo and na mo meeting every ing ani and the progress every week. So how long naka-use og ingana na substance, let's say nag-use kag shabu, cocaine, di ba? Addict ka ana. So important na makaadto ka atong time na mag-heal na gid ka or wala na gid ka mo gamit, no? Kana, so group therapy, so si Irvin Yalom ang nagpasikat ana. Okay, major milestones, we have pre-90s, we have the humanitarian care movement, 90s to 1950. Here we have 1896, the first clinic. 1953, the APA, American Psychological Association, publishes its first ethical code or ethics code of practice. 1950 to 1980, the new psychotherapy approaches like the mindfulness-based psychotherapy and the fourth wave of psychotherapy. So nana dito ang acceptance and commitment psychotherapy, the dialectical behavior therapy, nana po dito the group therapies, the family therapies, those are the new approaches. Kay ang mga OG man yun sa mga psychotherapy kay syempre we have the psychodynamic, we have the humanistic, and we have the behavioral psychotherapy. Kanagid ang mga OG, no? Katong fourth wave, dito na to sila katong mga group therapies, mga mindfulness based, no? Dialectical and ACT. 1980 to present, the DSM-3 and beyond, up until nakaabot sa DSM-5 text revision or TR. Kinsa na DSM na book dira? Raise your hand daw. Namoy DSM? Very good. Very good because we're going to use that in module 2. Yan. So, palit mo book. Guys, kay magamit man pud na ninyo if mag-licensure mo, if mag-review good mo sa boards, ma-use ninyo ang DSM-5 and kana, no? And kanipod, kaning clinical psychology pud na book, ma-use pud ninyo. Yan. We also have 1980 present, cognitive therapy dominance, evidence-based practice, no? Kaya ang gold standard yun sa psychotherapy kay si ano yun, si CBT yun. Cognitive behavior psychotherapy. Kay ano mo gud siya guys? Evidence-based man gud siya. Kumbaga na yung mga studies ba na nakatabang gid siya sa mga cases na naay depression or naay aning kaso, no? So ano gid ang mas ginagamit yun or ang mas gina-encourage na gamiton. Pero na yung mga psychologists na mo eclectic gid sila. Unsa man ang pasabutan ng eclectic? Signa mo pag ikaw psychotherapist ka, unsa tawag ana? Unsa meaning ana if mag-eclectic approach ko? Sige daw. If namoy na learn sa inyong mga courses kila Sir Bonnie, Ma'am Abby, sige daw. Unsa man ang eclectic guys? Sige daw. Nag-research na sila. Sige, unsa man na Dave?
Ano sir, like you are getting certain methods from different schools of psychology. Like for example, you are using psychodynamic approaches like viewing the childhood of a teenager, but then analyzing him over to humanistics and trying to support him to become a better person. So like you're using certain principles of psychology to better help them.
Yes. Yes, actually you got it right, Dave. So actually ang eclectic approach is mugamit ka og mga techniques from various approaches and katuoy mo ang gamiton sa client nimo. Let's say nag-CBT ka, pero pwede ka mo gamit og mga scaling questions, the miracle question from SFBT. That is from Solutions-Focused Brief Psychotherapy. So pwede ka mo gamit og techniques from other approaches na imuang i-integrate sa imong client. Kani nga na ako usahay. Mag-mix-mix ba? Kanang ang technique ni ingani no, musahay mo gamit ka og Adlerian, mo gamit ka og humanistic, mo gamit ka og mindfulness based, no? Like music therapy ingana or art therapy kana gamito na nimo sa imong client depende sa case kana. So eclectic ang tawag ana. So dili lang ka mo go sa unsa lang tong approach gyud solely. Mugamit ka sa mga lahi-lahi na mga approaches. Ang mga skills ba, ang mga techniques. Okay, kana, no? So, syempre, ang telepsychology, we have the practice of telecounseling or teletherapy, no? We also practice teleassessment. We give assessment through virtual platforms like this. And syempre, naapoy ethics po behind that. Ang telepsychology mangod, I believe, nag-start siya during din sa pandemic or mas na-amplify siya during sa pandemic. Thank you, Lord. Nag-burp na gid ko. Okay, kaya na. Okay, so kato no. So I think those are the major milestones. Okay, sige. Questions? Do you have any questions? Dili na kayo na ko i-overkill akong pag-discuss sa inyo ha. So, I encourage you to read the PAP. So, naamanggoy ano guys, naamanggoy ka na ganing. PAP na Psychological Association of the Philippines Ethical Code, no? Ma-search po ninyo na sa inyong internet guys. So, I think naman na sa inyong internet. Wala na po na ko siya nabutang kay ikapi na po ko. Of course, kapag handle ay PAP lang ha. Psychological Association for Philippines Code. Kani Code of Ethics actually for mura siya kani PDF siya. Kani siya. Nice pod na mag-read mo ani kay masabtan pod ninyo ang ethics pod sa tong practice pod. Kana, no? So, unsa gid tong mga confidentiality, di ba? Unsa nang informed consent, unsa nang non-maleficence, mga yung ana. So, ma-learn po na ninyo sa course. Okay. So, kanino? So, we're done with the foundations. Lesson 1. So, na may mga videos po dira. So, kaning PAP, Code of Ethics. Watch po ninyo siya na video. Kaya na po may ma-learn po ani and ethics in the field of clinical psychology. So, kana atong lesson for next week. Mo go na ta sa ethics since naman ta sa history, no? So, akong slide, so ay na mo pa picture kay naman po diri ang slides po, no? Akong gipanggamit, no? Kana napoy mga lecture notes po. And next lang po ninyo classification. So try lang ninyo answer ang katong quiz be. Gusto lang po nako makabalo kung okay ba ang tanan. Oo, katong objective quiz kay gigamit man gud ako, lahi man gud akong gigamit na ano dili siya classic ba na version. So ang siri lang pagod siya. Then kanina ay essay niya siya for week 3. So write a short reflection na dili mo gamit og ChatGPT ha. Kanang explain lang ninyo why clinical psychologists or psychometricians or other psychology professionals are essential in the field of clinical psychology, especially in the Philippine context. So you will highlight their unique roles and responsibilities in doing clinical assessment, diagnosis, and elaborate the importance and value of their role in the society and how ethical and culturally sensitive cultural practice is important in clinical psychology. So, muna na siya, natin criteria na. Nya, sa inyong questions, sige na may mga questions dira. Mag-ano na ta. Open forum na ta. Sige na may mga questions guys, mga pangutana, ingana, no? Actually, na may na-learn so far. Are you learning ba? Evaluate
Yes, sir.
ang inyong learning. Sige, so kung papiliun mo sa 3 branches, clinical, educational, or industrial organizational, asa mo adto?
Clinical, sir, for sure.
Clinical. Yeah. Kay ang clinical man good, napa na siya sub-branch. Ayon, si Clapis educational. O si Ma'am Moira is actually educational na siya. Si Ma'am Moira, focus na siya sa school, educational psychology. So, that is very cognitive psychology, no, ang mga ingana. So, sa clinical man good, dagan pa na siya mga sub-disciplines or sub-specializations. Nati forensic psychology. Do you know what is forensic psychology? Kana mga crimes good ingana. Before ka mutagog psychologically incapacitated ang isa ka person kana. Nindot po na siya na field actually and gusto na ko siya i-experience pa more. So napuntay child psychology, no? Child psychology kana siya. I think didira ko mas naga-work karon kay naga-handle kog bata. May mga disorders ang bata, no? Very developmental. If may autism ang child, na siya intellectual disability. So child psychology na siya. And napuntay health psychology. Ang health psychologists or health psychology, nag-work sila sa mga addiction programs. kanang mga rehabilitation programs and those na mga health problems like cancer or kanang naa sila mental health disorders caused by their illnesses or physical illnesses. So kato siya ang tulo ka subdiscipline sa clinical psychology, no? So nana sa inyo ha kung asa mo mas mag-focus. Pero nice po na inyong i-learn po ang clinical psychology po na field. Okay, so nang may questions, mga pangutana, no? So ang akong assignment lang sa inyo is mag-read mo libro, then you have to answer the formative assessment for week 2. For the late enrollees, habol lang po tayo. Open pa naman ang assessments natin and ang mga discussions natin.
Sir.
Okay? Yes, Dave.
Yung book, sir, yung Pomance, sir, na book. Okay, sir.
Yeah, po Andrew Pomeranz na libro. Mo itong gamiton. Okay? So, if you can buy it on Shopee, naa siya sa guys. You can use any editions. The latest, the more better. Pero Andrew Pomeranz gyud ako ang ano sa inyo recommend kay kana magud ang ginagamit sa board exams and kana pud akong ginabasa pod sa other psychs na mga bata pod sa other schools. So dito na ta dili na ta sa mga baby. Dito na ta kung unsa gid ang mas ginagamit gid sa board exams. Kaya I think most of you will take man pod the licensure for psychometricians, di ba? So dito na ta magamit yun. So mo hardcore na ta sa to ang reference. Okay? So much from that. So we are not going to meet on the second meeting, no? Consultations lang siya, and if na may concerns or problems, feel free to message me 8 to 5. Medyo busy ko guys, so if ever lang kaya ninyong i-ask yung classmate, please ask them. And if na concern sa LMS, i-message mo ko. Okay? So much for that. Thank you so much guys, and happy lunch, mga untang tanan, and mabuhay tayong lahat. Goodbye. Keep safe always. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.